Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been sphere.
Yeah, I see the triangle off the bottom left here, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. Went behind the mesa.
Where'd it go?
Did it go right behind the mesa?
Yes. It did come out of the mesa.
Oh my
Came out of the mesa. Come out of the mesa.
It came right out of the mesa.
What?
Yeah.
One of the incredible Native American legends into and out of mesas. And here we captured images of one entering the mesa in the east field, then exiting the other side and flying right toward the triangle. Was this one of the UAPs that Cameron saw?
Have a look at this. This is familiar.
Data points underneath the surface.
Exactly.
The next one. So I have another clip that I want to get your eyes on. I'm going to bring this up, guys. Are you seeing this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, good.
Oh, right there, I see it. Oh, yeah. Is that something walking on the ground?
That is really slow moving. By contrast with the last thing that we saw. Okay, I'm going to take it backwards. And again, I'm looking for any kind of structure on this thing. Let's take a closer look.
It's saturated. You can tell how solid white it is.
Fully white.
So it's very bright to this camera.
There are some apparent bright objects that go flying through the field of view of the camera right down there at ground level. And I find that fascinating. But at this point, it's really hard to classify what we're seeing.
What interested me about this is that unlike so much of what we see, this thing is not just zooming through the field of view. It seems like it's deliberately moving through the field or just...
Almost floating.
Yeah, floating. That's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's definitely approaching from the south. Now, did you see what happened there? It got to a certain point where it seemed to stop and turn toward the west. Now back up.
Play it slowly, if you can track it.
I'm going back so we can play into this.
Yeah.
But it stops and kind of swerves.
Oh, Lord have mercy. That's on the ground.
It sure looks like it, doesn't it? What in the world is that? It looks like the other UAP that came out.
Thank you for watching the Parasphere. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical accounts, sightings and disclosure of these sphere UFOs from the past and present. And remember, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.